What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen, guys, today on the channel, we're going to be focusing in on the news of FTX sending confidential letters. Now, this is going to be a pretty interesting story, but Justin's going to break it down. I'm going to react to it. You know how we do. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let us know your thoughts on the story. Go for it, Jay.
All right. So before FTX collapsed in November last year, our best friend SBF donated millions of dollars to politicians for their campaigns. The exchange now wants all the funds back by February 28th, 2023. Ooh, time's ticking. That's pretty damn close. Notably, FTX debtors have sent confidential letters to political figures, political action funds, and other recipients of contributions. The latest announcement follows the December 19, 2022 one by FTX debtors. At that time, they revealed the launch arrangements for such receipts to return funds voluntarily. Now, if the payments are not returned voluntarily, FTX debtors reserve the right to commence actions before the bankruptcy court to mandate the return of such payments, according to the statement released on Sunday. Additionally, the receipts will also have to bear interest costs, or recipients will have to bear interest costs from the date any action is taken. So not only do they have to pay back FTX the money that they were given, but also if they don't pay it back on time, interest will be accrued. Like reported recently, FTX advisors have been looking to recover funds that Bankman-Fried inappropriately handed out. The firm is tracing down hidden assets that could potentially be used to repay creditors. Taking another step in that direction, lawyers recently asked the court for permission to question Bankman-Fried's family and other top executives. Leaving aside donations received by politicians, the bankrupt exchange has reportedly been clawing back funds it donated to Florida students as scholarships. Man, they're trying to claw all their money back no matter where they gave it out. And that's a little ridiculous, taking money from the kids. A bankruptcy lawyer opined that going after kids for funds was a moral issue. They really had to tell them that. Thus, it'll be at the discretion of FTX lawyers to decide whether or not it's worth doing so. Nevertheless, the lawyers cautioned that the prize money donated to mentor organizations could certainly be up for grabs if the company struggles to come up with the funds elsewhere. FTX's CEO, John Ray III, has time and again stated that the exchange can be revived despite its bankruptcy. He hasn't lost hope in its return and has left no stone, and literally, I mean no stone, unturned and pumping back life into FTX. Hobbs, what do you think about them trying to steal money from the kids, man?
Man, first of all, I think it's absolutely asinine. And the fact that they even have to think about whether or not this is moral or immoral to go back and take scholarship funds from kids in Florida that you gave on behalf of FTX is ridiculous. However, even though that's morally wrong, I also think it's absolutely absurd. One, that they're asking for the money back from donations to politicians. Two, that they actually think they're going to get the money back from donations to politicians. More than likely, this money was used for midterm elections, right? That's probably what they used the money for. That's probably what they gathered the donations for. And they probably used all of that money up. Campaigns are not cheap. They're very expensive. So midterm elections just passed. That's number one. Number two, even if I didn't spend the money, why do I need to be responsible for giving you money back that you found out later was fraudulent, right? That's not how borrowing works. I can never tell you, hey, I know that I bought this car and you gave me a loan for the car, but I can't afford it. So I need the money back. That's not how borrowing works, right? Like this is not how it works. So in my opinion, this is going to be another nothing burger. I do appreciate the new CEO trying to go above and beyond and get the money back. But I think even if he takes the people to court, it'll be a failed attempt. So your thoughts?
Yeah, the other side of this too, when you think about it, is all these politicians have power, right? They are the ones who make legislation. Why did SBF give them the money in the first place?
So that line their pockets.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. So when you say, hey, I'm gonna need that money back plus interest, well, if I got to pay that money back, I'm gonna make your regulation life hell. I will make sure it is hard for FTX to operate if they ever can come back again. So it would be wise,
especially making this public, right? So
yeah. So it'd be wise, in my opinion, to not say anything. Just let it be. Find the money somewhere else. Definitely don't take the money away from the kids, because right there, that's not going to be good for you at all. Yeah, horrible look. But yeah, I just feel like this could come down on them politically as well. I mean, it already has, but it could get a lot worse.
Yeah, no doubt. But you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Check us out here on more videos at the Clear Cryptos YouTube channel. My name is T House from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.